Welcome back to HowToAV.tv. We're joined down the line by Daniel Branton, AV expert from CYP, with your quickfire questions and troubleshooting tips. Dan, next one on the list is audio timing errors. What do they sound like and how do we fix them?
Good pun. What do they sound like? Well, basically audio timing is about what the source is outputting. So is it a stereo signal? Is it a 5.1 signal? Is it bitstream? Is it linear PCM? There's lots of things to do with video timing. Now, in a point-to-point situation from a source to a screen, again, you're unlikely to experience these sort of problems because they're just communicating directly. But audio timing issues tend to be in larger AV systems. So you might have some products in your AV system that support all of the highest audio formats like your bitstream, Dolby Digital, Dolby Atmos, DTS:X, all of those sorts of audio formats. But if you've got a legacy product in the system somewhere, it might only support 2-channel PCM, which is a more basic system. Again, this then means there are issues because you can't have both running at the same time. So the way to get around this in a larger system is to consider maybe a Dolby or DTS down mixer. So if your screen, one of your screens in your property can only accept 2-channel, rather than tell the source to drop everything to 2-channel, which means you lose out in other zones, you could use a Dolby down mixer in front of that display that will take in the full Dolby Digital or DTS signal. It will then down mix it to something the screen can understand, which would usually be 2-channel PCM. So again, that's maybe something you would do with audio timing issues to create a more compatible system across a wider range of displays in a large AV system.
Dan, thanks for your advice once again. If you've got a question for Dan or for the rest of the HowToAV team, leave us a comment below and don't forget to subscribe by clicking the button below. Thanks again. Join us soon at HowToAV.tv.